Alright, guys, we are back. We are back, man. Pac-Man type shit. Fuck. The market has opened. Look at that huge rejection, and that's like with like how the market works, man. It's going extremely fast. Bro, no way. Okay. Only thing get it in, but nah, I'm not. All right. Yes, I made money in this trade. Clap it up, guys. But man, I didn't execute correctly, man. I didn't execute because I was so afraid from the previous trades that I just wanted to get out soon as possible, and that ended up costing me a lot of bread, or aka money. Man, I got out literally in 10 cents, literally. But I got out in 10 cents, which is not even close to. I could have got up to 30. I got up to 60 more. Let's just say 60. Just to be fair, man. 38 minus 60. 22 cents, bro. Damn, bro. But that's fine, I guess, dude. I got scared. I took 100 shares off the beginning. That's what fucked me up, and that's what I'm saying. Sure, took like around 50, another 50, and then another 50. Like I said, I'm doing 3 a row if I have to. Let's see. Let's see. Where is it? I'm gonna log that in. And no, that's not something that we want. I want to take advantage of, like, the opportunity. I could have took 50, 50, 50. Could have made a pretty decent amount, man. Really, we're really talking here, man. We could have made like 20, maybe something like that. 20, 25. Almost like 25. It's pretty good. I don't know if I'm streaming. Yeah, yeah. All right, guys. Let's watch our replay. This one will be a little bit happy, but also I got out too soon. And that's what it does to your psychology, is you get you so scared that you can go against you so fast, get so happy previous. Then it fucks up with your psychology. And let's see why this one didn't reverse as quick, and why it was a little bit better of a trade opportunity. I know I struggle. No, chill. No, you guys see that struggle. All right, I marked that. You see that? I marked that because that is a new indicator saying, hey, this is a very, very scary stock. Be careful. Got 38. And that's why I fucked up. So what I noticed is, like, yeah, we're coming up to the break. Like I said, I like training breakouts. For a while, I'm like, okay, I know that area is very scary. We broke it. Cool. We rejected. I'm like, all right, we wouldn't know. But it's coming back up, new candle. And I'm like, okay, cool. We can get in here. It's a new candle. You know what I'm saying? And boom. Look, the reason why you can't even go back. Oh, it does retest. I did retest. That's the 40. But we saw that great. It went to a new high and a retest to the 336. That was a great sign already. And boom, it backs 250. And then, of course, I couldn't get at 63 at right now. And I'm like, what the fuck? Yeah, man. Other than that, that's it, man. Like I said, it was a very simple, ordinary trade and stuff. I know I could have executed a little bit better. I could have sold 50 at first, and then another 50, and then another 50, and then we'll be good. And I think that's the best way to do it. 4 times is kind of crazy, but 3 is kind of like the perfect that I like. But that helps a lot, man. That helps a lot with your psychology. And I noticed, like I'm telling you guys, every single time a new candle starts. Actually, I want to watch the other video or what we did wrong, because I feel like we have to do that. I have to do that at least, because it's what makes me feel like okay, I'm actually learning something now. I'm actually viewing something. So we go on YouTube. I'm gonna search up eTrader, not my recent one. Whoops. This is the worst chart I had, so we got it's just the highest quality there is, because you know what I'm saying, we're like that. All right. Oh, it was in here. I get in here in this one right here. See, already first mistake, man. We're not even entering the new highs. The new highs is over here, and I'm entering right here, which is a huge rejection. Boom, we saw something else. We're not even on an uptrend. Yes, this can be a start of an uptrend, but we have this big wicks right here. There's a big, you know what I'm saying, a bunch of sellers looking for that area to short the stock. And look, my idiot, I buy right here because I'm like, it's on the break, it's early in the market. I'm like, boom, buy. Don't get me wrong, it goes up. I'm like, cool, let's go. I buy at what? 674. Right, buy 674. And boom. It was 87. 674. What is that? How much cents is that? Is that 10? That's 12, right? Why am my math so bad? 24 minus 87. 13 cents, which is pretty good. That's really good. You know what I'm saying? I'm up. I'm like, oh, I'm 13 cents up. Boom. That's pretty good. That's what we're looking for. And then it rejects, and I'm like, what the fuck just happened? And I'm like, okay, it's cool. Like, we could just need to hold above it, you know? Boom. Oh, shit. And then look, and then it goes against me. So already, the first mistake, not even going on an uptrend. It's literally in a fucking consolidation. It hasn't broke up. It hasn't, and then, you know what I'm saying, it hasn't broke up and then retest and then maybe go up here. We haven't seen that. So it wasn't a consolidation, you know what I'm saying, and a narrow motion, right, up and down. But we're here, you know, obviously not perfect, but it was in that zone, you know what I'm saying. So that being said, right, we're in that area. We have tried to break it, not once, not twice, but 3 times, and we didn't do it. Me, I'm over here thinking that, you know what, 3rd time's a charm. We're gonna break it. For 4 times the charm. I'm sorry. Like, dude, go up here. I got a good entry. It breaks a little. I'm like, all right, we might gonna come in the breakout, and then a rejection. I have a good idea, but on the wrong stock. See, you can have a great execution, but on the wrong stock. This would have been good if we're like in the last year, we were on a new high. We were breaking the new high. You know what I'm saying? If we were uptrending, we took a new high. You know, past the wicks. You know what I'm saying? And like, yeah, man, this is not bueno. But that was our first one. We're gonna look at our other trade. That we did last time. Was it 45? We just watched 44. Oh, it's this one because I entered late. Boom. We're gonna lose money right away. But look, another mistake I have made. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm just such a genius, right? Look, 3, 1, 2, 3. Huge long wicks. Huge. Off the move already. We went in 1, 2, 3. And then I get it on the red candle. Right? Looking for the retest. This one's a little harder to spot out. We were on an uptrend, right? But we weren't on a break. We were hoping for another bounce back to the new highs to break. Right? To the whatever, right? To the new high. And, you know what I'm saying? But we have 1, 2, 3. We notice it's the stock. You know what I'm saying? We notice, look how the stocks moves in the beginning. Look how the stocks move since they got to that new high. Well, oh, we didn't even look. We look at the next stock, and then we were to look what happens. It gets to the new high. Boom, huge rejection right there. Maybe back to this. That's what I'm thinking, right? Back to this line right here. It's going to come back to. That's why I put a line there. I'm like, okay, cool. I'm like, okay, that's the area of support. Huge wick. Don't like it, but it's holding. We break it, but another huge wick. People, I noticed. So what I noticed is, fuck. What I noticed is, pause. What I noticed is, everyone's trying to fucking get out fast as possible. Someone's get out. It goes up, no high, boom, just get out. So I noticed, like, if I want to get in, I want to get in here. Shoots up, boom, get out. That's what I want. That's what I was thinking. But I would have missed the move so many times because I was so scared what wasn't happening. And then I get in, I'm hoping for the retest, but the retests don't happen on these. These do not have retests. You know what I'm saying? These do not have retests. Why? Because people are just buying at a high point and selling right away in a new point. You know what I'm saying? You want to see the stock slowly come down to resistance, or you know what I'm saying, from that. You want from this, you don't want to see from huge candle to straight to a red candle. You see that? Huge and then red. Boom. You don't want to see that. That's a huge indicator saying, you know what? This is it's getting tight now. It's, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not. Yes, is there a possibility they can get a big red candle and they're up? But no, we had a huge, really long wicks. You know, a little long wick and then a huge rejection. That's really telling us, it's not that strong. This stock is not that strong because people are just buying at the high. You know, buying at a level and selling it as quick as possible. Someone gets to a new high. That's it. So I had to get here early. I got here late, and you know, I end up losing a lot. Well, you know, quite a bit of money. You know, but other than that, man, that's a great way to review things. Today we had a good trade. I guess we'll look at it one more time just to see what we did right and why this was a decent trade, even though we had some scary. I got in here, right? I get in, I'm like, okay, cool. We have a huge rejection on that level. You know what I'm saying? We passed it, but we rejected it. And I'm like, okay, cool. This might be. So what I was thinking off my head, I'm like, okay, we're coming up again. Boom, we break that. I buy at 38. I'm like, cool. I'm like, it's early. I want to see how high we can get this. I'm saying it's taking above 36. You know. One mistake I made is look at my stop loss. It's not even near right here. My stop loss should be at a point where I could get the fuck out. You know. But I didn't. That's one mistake already. I gotta fix that. Boom, it shoots up. I sell at 47. Great. and I sell a little bit more because I'm like, I don't know if it's gonna go up because. And then obviously it continues higher, it retests. That was a great indicator, and then it goes higher, and then you came to realize, you know what I'm saying, I missed the fucking. But yeah, other than that, guys, I'm gonna get off. Like I said, today was actually a good trade, a good entry. I actually followed my rules, except one thing: my stop loss was fucked up. Man, I don't like that. But what I noticed, I'm telling you, not every single time, but most of the time, man, when we get to a new high, like so, fuck, I wish I had it in, but you saw it, right? We had a green candle, right, close to the new high, and then we had a second candle right open that was gonna break that new high. That is the where you want to buy in, because that's telling you, oh, a lot of people are gonna buy that a break, are gonna buy that, anticipate that break. So you know what I'm saying? So I bought in. Everyone else is gonna try to buy in too. It's not every single time, but most of the time that happens. But you have to have a good setup showing that, okay, this stocking good. Like I said, that setup was kind of scary just because there was a lot of wicks, but we were able to break that. That would have been a good indicator that, hey, we want to get out. But yeah, man, like I said, just keep following the rules, keep finding opportunities. And yeah, man, like I said, I'm still figuring out. I need to watch some videos. I need to watch some more YouTube, bro. I need to read some books, because to be honest, I haven't been doing it, man. I know I told myself I was gonna do it, but dude, I don't get myself to do it. But I got to, man. I'm gonna watch some more trading videos, especially trader in the open, especially my strategy. Like I said, key levels and support and resistance, and more about psychology, man. What to do, you know, how to like calm yourself, how to like, you know, be confident in your trade and just let it happen. If it doesn't, you have to get as quick as possible to not fucking, you know what I'm saying, let it. Because I was hoping, man, that's what I made a mistake. I was hoping on the last trade that, you know, I was saying all things going to go a little bit back up, maybe to Thursday, and it didn't. And I just lost so much more money that I shouldn't have. So, yeah, man, I need to do that. And yeah, man, pretty much, man, I don't have a lot to say, really. You know what I'm saying? We're going to be here again tomorrow. Hopefully there's an opportunity. If there is, great. If there isn't, you know what I'm saying? We'll wait for Friday. We'll see if there's one on Friday. But like I said, this week has been real wonky, but it's okay, man, because honestly, it's a learning lesson. Right now, we're learning how the market works, how it really is, and it's hitting me a little bit more. And I think that's one of the greatest lessons, is that before, of course, it will affect me a little bit, obviously, but this is affecting me a little bit more just because I'm playing with a little bit more capital, and now I'm actually feeling the hits more. I'm not saying that, right, it's not a good idea, don't get me wrong, it's not a good idea to put more capital without 100 showing that you should be, you know how to trade. But obviously, I'm working on my risk management, but I feel like for me, man, like it makes me learn more better. I don't know how. I feel like for a lot more people, I'm not saying lose a ton of money, right? But it is a way. I'm not gonna lie. It is a way to do it, man. It's the smartest, probably not. But to be honest, it makes me learn my lesson. Like, dude, like I was so cautious. You saw that, like after I saw that break, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take some money quick because I don't want to lose the money. Yes, it kind of fucked me up a little bit, but I'm not. Now I'm getting more better at securing my money and not falling for these some tricks that I didn't notice. Look, I added something that can not notify me, but I can see that there's big wigs, there's a bunch of sellers in that area, and see if we can take them out. Or if not, be careful at that area. But yeah, man, I'm telling you, dude, like, yes, I'm sharing more capital. I can lose more money more faster, more quicker. But what you guys fail to realize is that, dude, like, if you make a mistake, when you make a mistake and it hits you and it's a, you know, pretty big hefty loss, and you're like, oh shit, like what the fuck did I do? Like what did I do wrong? Like you obviously it worries you, but it makes you want to learn from it so you don't continue having those big losses. So I honestly like that it does that, because I feel like I haven't really been testing myself. You know what I'm saying? Of course I traded last month, but a really small amount. Like it wasn't barely anything, you know. Now I'm actually trading with some, you know, hefty shares. You know, I'm trading with 100 shares now, guys, and I can feel these punches coming in, man. And yes, I don't like getting losses, but I like that I'm able to feel these punches and able to be like, okay, man, I'm doing something wrong. What the fuck can I do? You know what I'm saying? To really not let this happen. So I go back. So I go back in my trades. I see what they're blah blah blah. I load at everything that I did wrong in that trade, and I try my best to avoid it or find ways to not put myself in that same position again, so I don't, lose more money, of course. But other than that, guys, I'm actually gonna get off. Like I said, I don't want to keep rambling. But yeah, man, you learn something every day. Today was a good day. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy, but I think I could execute a little bit better with my trade. I feel like I couldn't, say 50-50, and I couldn't put my stop loss a little bit higher because there's somewhere there shouldn't be. But other than that, man, I'm glad to be able to notice my mistakes and do better next time. But that's it, man. Like, that's it. I'm done, man. All right. I'm happy that I'm saying, I'm glad that I was able to make money today. But other than that, I'm getting off.